the flower arrangements today. So
thank you, Kathy. This is Kathy here. Beautiful.
There's some pieces that she's worked hard on, and I think her brother Dougie also helped with transporting and putting things together. So we're really grateful for her help, Kathy. The centerpieces are special because they're done by Kathy, so we want to hold on to them after the event. So please don't put them in your bag. Where's my family? They're not up here yet. And excuse our backs, I'm sorry, just the way it works out. But while they're all coming up, let's have another Tauleva special.
I'm sure you should say Jeremy special, eh? Are you sure that some of them are not your jokes, Jeremy? Yeah.
This one is a bit toilet humor. I think we all like those things. Why did the toilet paper roll down the hill?
Why?
To get to the bottom.
That's a good one. That's a good one. I like that one. Look at the bird sitting there.
Okay, we're going to sing a few Niue songs for our dad and for your entertainment. We try our best. Apologies to Finione, but if it was a competition, we'd get the booby prize. Yeah, move into the middle. Come on, guys. Yeah,
Maybe come on the side more. Maybe come more on the side so some people can. Yeah.
Do you want to move over a bit more?
Yeah, move it.
And Lauren is now.
It's Lauren, that's it.
Yeah, we want to. There's a song we're going to sing, and you all know it, and if you do, just join in with us.
Lovely.
A beautiful song, very popular in the community, written by our dear Uncle Saleh, and you'll know it as Si Payo. Okay. Si Payo Ta Ua. Si Payo Koleo Fia Fia Niue Bahai Suai Pakasipa Tauli Malue Lue Uru Talulu Talulu Taui Si Payo Koleo Fia Fia Niue Bahai Suai Pakasipa Tauli Malue Lue Uru Talulu Talulu Taui
Good boy, sing loud. Yeah. Alamai Niue. Choo-hoo. Well done.